PhaScan 2 application video. Phased array operation, sector scan weld inspection. Clear settings. Select display mode ASC. Set weld parameters according to illustration and actual weld. Set probe and wedge according to the mark of them. Set focus law. Set focus depth to 1.5 to 2 times of the plate thickness. Set the position of probe. Make second wave fully cover the weld. The first wave covers the weld root. In the case of encoder, select Scan to Encoder. Set the resolution of encoder. Set the range to be scanned. Then need to calibrate. Encoder calibration. Click Reset. Move the encoder to the corresponding distance and click Calibrate. After calibration, a new resolution appears. Click Accept. Click the calibration button again to verify. Velocity calibration. Place the probe near circle center of the test block. Click Gate Starting Point. Use Shuttle to move the gate. Then use the gate. Make the first radius wave in the gate. After find the maximum wave. Click and read position 1. Keep the probe still. Move the gate to cover the second wave. Click and read position 2. Velocity will be displayed. Next, wedge calibration. Clean the wedge surface first. We can see the probe surface wave. Adjust the gate to cover the wave. Drag VPA. Check whether each wave passes through the gate. Calibration completed. Click OK. Generally, delay calibration is performed with small holes. We select 1.5 mm depth, 15 mm thickness hole for calibration. Adjust hole depth according to actual conditions. Adjust the gate to cover the small hole wave. Then move the probe left and right. The whole echo is recorded at each angle. Then click Calibration. Delay calibration completed. First select 10 mm depth hole. Place the probe above the hole. Move the probe and find the echo in PhaScan area. Use the gate. Cover the echo of hole. Move probe left and right. Record echo at each angle. After finish envelope, click at point. Remove the probe and verify the point. After moving the new envelope, use this button to adjust. Verify again after adjustment. The verification passes. Click OK, then make the next point. Move the probe and find the echo in PhaScan area. Use the gate. Cover the echo of hole. Move probe left and right. Record echo at each angle. When the envelope is finished, click at point and verify the point. Verified. Click OK. Do the same to make another point. Complete TCG calibration. Adjust range to make the detection area of secondary wave larger. Adjust the gate to frame the whole secondary wave. Select the appropriate criteria. Complete wizard. Next, set the probe work paths. We can see step offset is 26. Position probe 26 mm from weld. Then move the scanner to the start point. Click Start to start scanning. Click the Freeze button and save data. Drag the scan axis for analysis. Drag SR and SM to mark the start and end points of flaw. SMR is the length of the defect. Place VPA line at the maximum echo of the defect. DA is the depth of the defect. Drag the red and green cursor in S-scan to mark the upper and lower points of flaw. UMR is the height of defect.
Audio Jungle.